How to build your own Sabermetrics model. Have you ever wondered how to create your own Sabermetrics model to analyze baseball players? This process can be exciting and rewarding. Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to grasp the fundamentals of sabermetrics. This field focuses on analyzing baseball through advanced statistics, moving beyond traditional metrics like batting average and earned run average. It emphasizes measuring player contributions more accurately. Key metrics include on-base percentage, slugging percentage, weighted on-base average, and advanced pitching metrics like fielding independent pitching and SIERA. Defensive metrics such as ultimate zone rating and outs above average help evaluate fielding skills. These metrics provide a fuller picture of a player's offensive, defensive, and pitching contributions. Next, gather and prepare your data. Collect comprehensive statistics on players, both historical and current. You can find data from official Major League Baseball sources, StatCast, and various databases that include box scores and play-by-play details. Make sure to clean and organize this data for consistency. Adjust ballpark factors and era differences to ensure fair comparisons across different time periods. Now define the objective of your model. Determine what you want to measure or predict. Common goals include estimating a player's overall value, forecasting future performance, or evaluating specific skills like hitting, pitching, or defense. Clarifying your focus will help guide your model's development. After that, select relevant variables and metrics. Choose statistics that best representing the skills or outcomes you want to analyze. For instance, to evaluate offensive value, you might combine on-base percentage and slugging percentage into on-base plus slugging, or use weighted runs created plus, which adjusts for league and park effects. For pitching, metrics like fielding independent pitching isolate a pitcher's effectiveness. Then, develop statistical or machine learning methods. You can apply statistical techniques such as regression analysis to identify relationships between variables and outcomes like runs created or wins above replacement. Machine learning methods can also help model complex interactions or predict future performance based on historical data patterns. It's also important to adjust for contextual factors. Incorporate adjustments for influences like ballpark effects, era differences, and league offensive environments. This will allow your model to compare players from different times and places fairly. Once your model is built, validate and test it. Use historical data to see how well your model predicts known outcomes. Cross-validate by applying the model to different seasons or player groups. Refine the model based on its performance to improve accuracy and reliability. Finally, apply your model to decision-making. Use it to evaluate players, inform lineup decisions, defensive positioning, or scouting. Advanced data from sources like StatCast can guide strategic choices, such as defensive shifts or pitch selection. Practical applications of your sabermetrics model include identifying undervalued players who excel in key metrics but may be overlooked by traditional statistics. You can also forecast player career trajectories and optimize team construction by balancing offensive and defensive contributions. Building your own sabermetrics model requires a solid understanding of baseball statistics, access to detailed data, careful selection of variables, appropriate statistical methods, and rigorous validation. With these steps, you can analyze players from past and present using a consistent, data-driven framework to support informed baseball decisions.